Oof, I hate this. Anyway, this is happening and will continue to happen for the coming week as per the forecast. I have already lost power once in the last 24 hours, and I'm just giving everyone who watches my daily videos a heads up, and thank you for watching my daily videos, but I may be going radio silent again, and you know why. I am working on videos to cover for the moments when I'm without power, but cannot guarantee that I will have 7 done considering the circumstances. So, you may or may not know that I depend on my videos getting watched, as I depend on every cent that YouTube pays me. If there isn't a new video posted, I would so appreciate your support if you checked out my channel and watched an already uploaded video as a support to keep the channel going. I cannot express just how gutted I am, but this may be a tough winter. And while I do not like putting my struggles out, I do not always want to post community posts to create awareness of possible communication issues with you. This will include not only comments under videos being sporadically replied to, but also emails. Thank you once again for understanding, and thank you for your support. I am sorry that I am a channel holder that has a limping infrastructure and cannot provide you with a top-notch consistency you deserve. I know that this is not exactly the ideal video to ask you to please subscribe to the channel, but there is no harm in mentioning it, just in case you would like to surprise me with the numbers going up while I'm off air. Thank you so much for everything. Stay safe and bye.